Welcome to Cooking with Hilda. In today's recipe, we're gonna bake a leg of lamb. I love this recipe and I make this one with a chimichurri sauce. It's kind of different but spicy and delicious, so you don't wanna miss this one. I'm gonna write the ingredients and you're gonna be able to see it now in the screen, so you can just screenshot and it's gonna be easier and more convenient for you. You can see that in that list we have a 6-pound leg of lamb, a bunch of cilantro, a bunch of parsley, 3 serrano peppers, and if you don't like serrano pepper or something spicy, just leave it out, 4 garlic cloves, half onion, the juice of 3 limes, half cup of olive oil, has to be extra virgin, the better quality the better flavor, and also half cup of vinegar and salt and pepper to taste. Let's make that chimichurri sauce. To make this chimichurri sauce, just blend everything. The chimichurri is ready, and I also have here a tray with vegetables. They make it like a kind of a vegetable bed for the leg to cook on top of it. This chimichurri sauce is very delicious. It's gonna give it a different flavor, like spicy and delicious flavor to the lamb. I have here some kitchen twine. I'm gonna tie the leg so it doesn't lose its shape. I'm gonna use a little more pepper on top because why not? We're gonna bake it in a preheated oven at 425 degrees for 1 hour and 20 minutes. The roast is ready and now it's time to assemble on a plate and make it pretty. And here you go, a beautiful lamb roast that you can serve on Easter or any other occasion. And I really hope you enjoyed this recipe, and let me know in the comments what you think when you make it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow on Instagram. See you guys next time.